Hello guys, it's Otaki once again. Today I will show you how to purchase TSAT on your mobile using Phantom application. So TSAT, which is stablecoin related to Bitcoin, which is a really interesting asset you need to invest as your age now. So here you need to have just one thing, which is Solana in your account. So based on Solana, because TSAT is related to Solana network, then you need to convert from Solana to TSAT in order to own some TSAT amount. As I have 18k TSAT, so when you have the Solana coins and so on, you just need to go to the search bar in the Phantom. Then you type tsat dot dg15.com. So when you just type this account, you will receive this one Phantom wallet connected because I already have a wallet connected. I understand confirm. Here it is connected the wallet. If you don't have, just connect another one or something. So I will type a random number here in order to get Solana things. Then you need to go to swap. In this case, I can swap like, and I have 141 of TSAT things, but I will cancel it because I just want to learn you or teach you how to purchase Solana things, TSAT things. So I will test with this amount. Never mind. I will just edit here with one. Then I will just test how it is swapped and confirm because there is gas fee. That's it, guys. So you already owned 141 TSAT. I hope you like.